What we're going to do now is see the benefits of the CRD in a prone position. We're going to fire first with, out, and with CRD next. We're going to see whether the dust would go to your face without the CRD. And then we're going to see if the CRD prevents the dust from going to your face. So we're going to fire again semi and full auto with and without. Whoa, that was a lot. Went to my face. Oh. I'm gonna put the CRD. All the dust went all the way there. All the dust all go there. It doesn't go back to your face. Perfect.